Good evening, Doak cooks. I was in the midst of preparing the meal for tomorrow when it occurred to me, you know what? It might benefit the audience to actually hear about the one thing that I've been telling people to do for years for easy chicken. So what you're looking at right here, which I've started to put in my bag, and I'm actually not marking my bag because I'm going to be using this tomorrow. So, but this is just a good 24-hour prep. I am going to do the one thing that is as easy as you can possibly do. This is the easiest stupid thing you can do to get chicken to taste incredible on your grill. You start with chicken. You start with skinless, boneless chicken thighs. They look like this. Okay, that is a skinless, boneless chicken thigh. Here, I'll grab another. This is a larger, skinless, boneless chicken thigh. Where do you buy skinless, boneless chicken thighs? Well, you buy them at your grocery store. And if you get a blister pack of, let's just say, thighs, you can go to your butcher and ask them to process and remove the skin and the bones to give you skinless, boneless chicken thighs. So I have skinless, boneless chicken thighs that I have now just, look at that. It's actually two. Ha-ha. With a little bit. So, all right, hold on. Now my hands are completely covered in chicken. 1 second. Okay, now I have a glove. All right, Ziploc bag. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay. Now I've seen people take them and just throw them unrolled into their Ziploc bags. Just stick your thumb in the middle, separate them just a little, okay? Little surface area, because what we're gonna do is once we toss all of these skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and again, chicken thighs are the best tasting chicken, bar none. Here we are. Here is now our bag of chicken, okay? Let's move the trash out of the way. I will throw that away in a second. I can now remove my glove because I'm not going to touch raw chicken anymore. And the last step of this incredibly complicated process is the ever so difficult cracking of the teriyaki bottle and then pouring it in. That's it. That's all we're doing. And then what I'm going to do is once I get a good amount of this out into my Ziploc bag to cover my chicken, what am I doing? I don't know, about a third of the bottle. It's pretty good. Okay. So now we're going to take this and now we're going to try and get as much air out of it as we possibly can. Oh, it smells wonderful. And then we're going to stick it in our fridge. And we're gonna get it nice and, as I spilled juice everywhere. Look what I did. I'm glad I caught that on camera. I would hate for y'all to think that I don't screw up all the time, because I do screw up all the time. All right, hold on. Good afternoon, evening, Doak cooks. I forgot that I had to do some prep for the grill that we're doing tonight. These were sourced from our local farmer's market. So these are potatoes that came out of the ground somewhere over there or there or there or possibly there. I don't know, somewhere, because these are local. So this is from a farm in my town somewhere. So that's kind of neat. So we're going to take those and we're going to grab some butter. We're going to grab some salt and pepper. We're going to chop these guys up and then we're going to stick them all into a foil packet to then go on the grill because today is my son's birthday and this is what he's asked for. So actually he hasn't asked for this. He's asked for what's in the fridge right there. He's not asked for these. He actually don't think he knows these even exist. I also have an onion that I'm going to add to some of these, and we're also maybe do some on the grill. I'm also doing bacon on the grill. Well, that's exciting and fun. Yeah, so we're going to do all kinds of stuff today. I was going to talk through a handful of things right now because I'm not going to talk really a whole lot outside because I'm just going to be grilling. So, and focusing on my child. So let's get into processing. Woo! So I like being equitable. There are five adults coming to dinner tonight. It's a small group. All right, if that's one packet, then that'd be about 2 packets. Then that'd be about 3 packets. And that'd be 4. Ow! I just totally lost a potato. Ah, that's a bummer. Well, good thing they can be washed. Ugh. Let me go wash that real quick. But all right, okay. There, it's been washed. I kind of feel like these are gonna be small little packets. So if I'm gonna make 5, actually 4. I think I only did 1, 2, I got 4. I need to divide these by 4. Let's start there. Okay, let's just start there. Fine. Hold on a second, I'm missing something. I'm not really missing anything. I'm just gonna do that off camera because on my foil is over here where my butter is and where my salt and pepper is gonna be. So when I do this, and then this, odds are you can hear that, you just can't see it. All right, slab of butter. And I feel like this knife might be a little overkill for these. Yeah, that's fine, but that's all I'm going for, little discs. So if that's over there, okay. Come here. God, these potatoes are so small. Dude, I'm gonna totally take a finger off doing this. All right, you know what? Give me a second. Okay, well, that's what they look like. There's the processed taters. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna do that onion. I don't know. And there's a potato packet. There's a little guy. So I'll make 3 more of those with the rest of those. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that, if I'm gonna do anything with that. Because we have a weird house when it comes to onions. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, we've got burgers, we've got chicken, we've got bacon, we've got potato packets. I mean, my goodness, we have so much going on with this grill tonight. Holy smokes, everybody. I have hot dogs, I have chicken, I've got potato packets, I got bacon, I got chicken, I got burgers, I got it all. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna flip it because it's all gonna start burning. So I hope everyone enjoys this Tuesday, and we're all gonna say happy birthday, Tyler. Happy birthday, Tyler. And I'll see you guys. There's too much going on here for me to keep recording this stuff. So I will see you guys next time. Later.
Is it okay if I...
I got a broken face.